What do you think of the Santa Kasia diversion project? This is an irrigation diversion dam. In the summer irrigation season, the gates are closed to raise the water level upstream of the dam, so it'll feed underneath us into their irrigation ditch that irrigates about 100 miles of the Rio Grande Valley from here on south. The project, they had to replace material or stabilize material downstream of the dam apron, because when they had flow through the dam, it was eroding material away from below the dam. They had eroded a hole deep enough to where it was right down to the bottom of the sheet piling for the dam. If it would have gone much deeper, or they thought by this summer, they would have probably lost the dam. And they estimate a $30 million replacement price for the dam. But this, when the project started, this was all riverbed. This was water. The whole project was underwater. The first group of 9 wells, which now they have started pulling some of the wells through there. The first batch of 9 wells dewatered it down to 4 foot below the bottom of their excavation. From the bottom of the excavation to the water level upstream of the dam right now is it was between 25 to 30 foot. So they had a dry hole 25 to 30 foot below the water level. Three wells have been removed, 5, 7 must be, but they've started pulling every other well as they've started leapfrogging down. This first area has been all excavated out and has been backfilled back in. They excavate it down. They have a blanket material. I can see a piece of corner of it showing down there. To stabilize the ground, because we're riverbed sand. Then there's small gravel, about a foot of that placed on top of there. Then there's, I suppose, what you'd call 6 to 8 inch nominal size rock, a layer of that piled on top. Then there's a larger, which can have 4 to 6 foot size boulders that'll come up to even with the apron here as it's filled in. The sheet pile is driven in and will continue to be driven. It gets driven in